ready to unlock the power of instant banking anytime, anywhere with ANB Bank. Let's get your mobile and online banking set up in just a few minutes. First, head over to the official ANB Bank website. Look for the prominent Login or Enroll Now button. Usually located in the top corner of the page, click on it to begin the registration process. You'll then be directed to the enrollment page here. You'll need to provide some basic personal details to verify your identity. This typically includes your account number, social security number, and answers to security questions you may have previously set up. Next, it's time to create your secure login credentials. Choose a strong, unique username that's easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess then. Create a robust password using a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To further protect your account, you'll be prompted to select and answer a few security questions. These will be used to verify your identity if you ever forget your password or need to access your account from a new device. Once you've completed all the required fields, review your information carefully and click Submit or Enroll. You might receive a confirmation email or message indicating that your online banking access has been successfully set up. Now you're ready to download the ANB Bank mobile app from your device's app store. Simply log in with the username and password you just created, and you'll have secure access to check your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and so much more, all from your fingertips. Congratulations! You've successfully registered for ANB Bank's mobile and online banking. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances on your terms. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.